today's video, I'm going to show you how to play that riff I was just playing called Blues Rock 1C. We're first going to take a listen to it without the backing track. So now let's get a closer look and break it down. The first three beats being the 1 and 2 and 3 and are all the same, doing a bend on the 10 of the B string for a full bend with our ring finger. So a closer look on the guitar, I'm going to bend that 10th fret B string with my ring finger with the help of my first and second fingers until I get that full bend. And I'm going to do it for 1 and 2 and 3 and. Once you have all the bending down, on the fourth beat, we're going to hit the 8th fret of the B string with our index finger. So that's going to be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. We're going to hold that 4 for 4 and we're going to end the measure on the with the 9 on the G string with our middle finger. So it's 4 and Putting that whole first measure together, it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and So the whole second measure is empty, but it would be good to hold that 9 for the 1 and 2 and 3 and And it's optional to give that 9 vibrato throughout that. And then we're going to move on to the third measure, the third measure starting with the grace note of the 7 sliding to 9. And we're going to use our ring finger for that, for the 1. So I'm going to move my fingers back, and I'm going to use my ring finger for that 7 slide to 9. So that's 1. Following that, we're going to go and 7 on the G string to 9 on the D string, using our index and ring finger. So simple enough, it's and Put that together, 1 and Then we're going to wrap this up with 2, hold that for and, going 7 to 9 on the G string, using our index and ring finger. So that's 2 and with some vibrato, and you hold that for the rest of the measure. So if I put that whole second measure together, it's 1 and 2 and So now I'll play the whole riff slowly while counting so you can see how it works. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and I hope you had fun learning the riff today. If you want to learn some more blues rock, I recommend checking out the Blues Rock 1A riff or the 1B riff, and of course there's more to come. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. If you want to learn some more guitar, please subscribe. Just remember to have fun and happy practicing.